Welcome to the channel. In a world that seems to be in constant flux, global crises can strike at any moment, reshaping the landscape of investment opportunities. Today we're diving into a pressing question: how are these crises actually creating new avenues for savvy investors like you? From economic recessions to health crises and environmental challenges, each upheaval brings with it a unique set of investment prospects. Let's explore how you can leverage these opportunities to bolster your portfolio in today's unpredictable market. First, let's talk about the explosive growth in health tech and biopharmaceuticals. The COVID-19 pandemic has profoundly changed the way we view healthcare investments. Companies that innovate in vaccine development and biotech have seen unprecedented growth. Investors are now paying attention to firms that specialize in telemedicine, health data analytics, and vaccine production. For instance, companies like Moderna and Teladoc have emerged as leaders in this field. Understanding the ongoing demand for health innovations can guide your investment choices in this thriving sector. Next, let's explore the surge in renewable energy investments. As global crises highlight the urgent need for sustainable solutions, governments and corporations are increasingly pivoting toward clean energy sources. This trend is reshaping entire industries and creating lucrative investment opportunities. Companies like Nexter Energy and Tesla are at the forefront of this shift, benefiting from increased funding and consumer interest in sustainability. By investing in renewable energy stocks or ETFs, you not only contribute to a healthier planet but also tap into a growing market expected to expand significantly in the coming years. Another major shift has occurred in the retail landscape, with a dramatic rise in e-commerce and digital services. The pandemic accelerated the trend toward online shopping, transforming how consumers engage with brands and purchase products. Companies like Amazon and Shopify have experienced remarkable growth, and this trend is unlikely to reverse. As consumer habits evolve, investing in e-commerce platforms, logistics companies, and digital payment solutions can yield significant returns. Understanding the evolving retail landscape is essential for any modern investor. Geopolitical tensions have also created unique investment opportunities, particularly in the defense sector. As countries grapple with security concerns, defense spending has surged, benefiting companies involved in military technology and cybersecurity. Investors can explore stocks of defense contractors or cybersecurity firms as governments ramp up their capabilities. Understanding the geopolitical landscape can help you identify potential growth areas in the defense sector, making it a strategic focus for your investment portfolio. Crisis-resilient industries also present compelling investment opportunities. During global disruptions, sectors such as healthcare, utilities, and consumer staples often perform well. These industries provide essential services that remain in demand regardless of economic conditions. Companies like Procter & Gamble and Johnson & Johnson demonstrate the stability that can come from investing in these sectors. By diversifying your portfolio with stocks from crisis-resilient industries, you can help mitigate risks associated with market volatility. So how can you adapt your investment strategy in light of these global crises? The key is to remain informed and flexible. Keeping an eye on market trends, economic indicators, and geopolitical developments will allow you to pivot your investments as opportunities arise. Utilize investment platforms, financial news, and expert analyses to guide your decisions. Consider building a diversified portfolio that includes growth stocks in health tech, renewable energy, and e-commerce alongside stable, crisis-resilient companies. This balanced approach can position you for success in both volatile and stable market conditions. Global crises can serve as catalysts for change, shaping new investment opportunities that you can't afford to ignore. By staying informed and adapting your strategies, you can navigate this complex landscape and make investments that not only yield returns but also contribute to a better future.